Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to access and use the Google Hotels Google Bard extension that you can use to search hotels based on what's important to you. So basically you get the power of Google Bard and large language models with the data and capabilities of Google Hotels. So you can plan a whole trip using just Google Bard and this Google Hotels extension. And the great thing about this Google Hotels extension is that you don't have to purchase a subscription to Google Bard. So unlike in ChatGPT Plus, where you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription to be able to use plugins, extensions are currently absolutely free to use and they are really useful. So how to use this Google Hotels extension in Bard? So what you can do is go to the extensions icon here, click on it and make sure that this hotels extension is turned on. So you're going to be able to interact with it inside Google Bard. And you can see that there are 3 example prompt ideas you can also use. So let's select this one and we can see that it will open up the standard prompt interface where you can add your prompts to Google Bard. And I think we can use this prompt that Google Bard has come up with, but let's change the city to Las Vegas. And I also want to show you that you can combine extensions together. So let's add, so this is the prompt I added. Find hotels for a 4-day trip to Las Vegas for New Year's Eve and find flights also. So let's say if Bard is able not just to use Google Hotels, but Google Flights as well. So we can plan the whole trip inside Google Bard without using any third-party website. So let's click on submit and let's see if Google Bard is able to do what we want. So as you can see, you don't have to add anything that I want to use the Google Hotels and the Google Flights extension. Google Bard is able to recognize that if it wants to find hotels, it doesn't have to use the general language model. It has to use Google Flights and Google Hotels. So as you can see, both queries were successful. If you have a general query and you don't want to use these extensions, you can also click on try again without the extensions. But in this case, it's really useful. So as you can see, you don't have to even leave Google Bard. You get all the flights information here, how much time it will take you to get there. So as you can see, we can get British Airways with 1 stop, or American or British Airways with 2 stops, and so on and so forth. And as I have mentioned, we also not just get flights information, but hotels as well. And we also get a nice photo, how much it would cost per night, what is the average rating with images, and you can click on the specific hotel you are interested in and it will take you to Google Hotels and you can check more information about a particular hotel if you're interested in that. So all in all, this is how to use the Google Hotels extension in Google Bard. If you want to learn more about other extensions like the Google Workspace extension that you can use to access your Google Drive folder and summarize content from your Google Drive folders or from your Gmail account, then make sure to check out my other tutorials on my YouTube channel. And I also have a ton of tutorials on other AI tools, not just ChatGPT and Google Bard, but other more advanced AI tools. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe because I have more tutorials coming up.